All right, hello everybody. I am making sure that today you are good with your day 3 assignment, the equal parts of the same whole. So just a reminder, if I have one whole, that equals 100%. Any decimal, say like you've got 75 hundredths, remember, I can rewrite that as 75 hundredths, which is 75%. So if I have 1 and 75 hundredths, that equals 100% plus the 75%, which is how we get 175%. Guys, let's keep this as simple as possible. If you have a number line, say we'll start down here at 0. And it goes 1, and then it has 2 in the middle. It gives you like 1, 2, 1, 2. And it gives you a spot, like say down here. Yes, I know it's not the exact same as your assignment. You're like, dang it. It's okay. You'll be okay. Remember, that's 100%. Remember, this right here, remember, it's 1 space away, 2 spaces away, 3 spaces away. That means that is what my fraction is. So I can go back, put it back in. Because I have more than one whole, my wholes are still split into 3, but this next one is 4, and then 5/3. So that means I can read it as, that's weird. I can read it as either 5/3, or, remember, this is 1 and 1/3, and this would be 1 and 2/3. Or I could write it as 1 and then 2 as 3 of the next whole. Now, on page, let me look. I believe it is page, nope. I'm on the wrong page. It is on my page 9, which means it is the day 2 lesson. If you go to where it says 2/3, that is 0.6. That little bar up here means repeated forever. So that means that this is technically, because I have a 1 there, I can write that as 1 and 6/10 repeated forever. Now, if I want to, I could even put 6/6, because remember, my decimal, I'm going to shift it 1, 2 spaces to the right, which means this becomes 166% with that repeated. In this case, you'll probably want to go ahead and do this with a lovely little fraction, so it means you have 166 2/3%. Because remember, that's repeated forever. So just make it easy on yourself. Look at your chart. Yes, it's in there for a reason. Everything's in there for a reason. If you guys need help, remember, come in the morning and see me. It will help, I promise.